Welcome to Feeler. Introducing the Feeler VMX-1300 Vertical Machining Center. One of its key features is standard direct drive spindle, minimizing vibration and heat during machining to enhance surface finish quality. VMX-1300 uses one-piece spindle head and reinforced A-shaped column, which effectively improves rigidity and machining accuracy. 12,000 RPM direct drive spindle ensures full power transmission for optimal precision and efficiency. The tool magazine stores 24, 30, and 40 tools, with ARM-type system inserts fast and stable tool changes, maximizing efficiency. Linear guides on 3 axes enable fast, precise machining with less friction, heat, and structural deformation and increase overall rigidity. The machine offers various machining capabilities such as milling, drilling, and tapping. With a 600 mm Y-axis travel, a 1,420 by 600 mm worktable area, and a 5,100 kg maximum workpiece load, it's suitable for large workpiece machining. To meet increasing automation demands, the machine can be integrated with automation equipment such as robotic arms and automated production systems, which increases production efficiency, reduces costs, and improves product quality. Feeler provide turnkey solutions for specific applications, from working time planning to cutting tools recommendation and the fixtures design, depending on the customer's needs. VMX, one of Feeler's best-selling series, is all about high efficiency and precision cutting. Its durability and reliability make it suitable for long-term stable operation, making it the ideal choice for you. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us.